cards. And I'm sharing the Alice in Wonderland virtual retreat that I did with La La Land Crafts. So this retreat, I believe, was $108. And really, it's just the cutting guides and the live classes that you got, and a 25% discount to the shop. So it was done a little bit differently, where, I mean, they've done it differently. So there's another virtual retreat, which is their big one, which is happening in September. And that one is like $350, but you get like a $100 goodie bag, and you get all the projects already cut for you. So this one you have to, you know, do a lot of homework and all of that, but it was an Alice in Wonderland theme. It was for their Alice in Wonderland release, and it was amazing. I loved it. So it also included coloring classes, and there were a lot of projects. So I'm going to try to do them in the order that we did them. So we'll see. Okay, these three were the first day. These are the second day. Okay, so the first day, we made this 6x6 card, and all of these products are La La Land Craft products, and some of them were ones I already had because I belong to the La La Land Crafts, what is it? It's basically Kid of the Month. And so this girl in particular, I believe, was in the kit, past kit, as well as the chess pieces and the playing cards. So I already had those. I did have to buy the bonkers, you know, of course, the paper. And I believe this was either a Copic or Olo class. And so I used by Copics, and they used Olo. I'm not sure how I feel about the Olos because I have a lot of money invested in Copics. But this was one of the cards. And then this might be the third. The second, one of the other cards we made on the first day was this Slimline card, and it's a shaker. And this one was really fun because we used, what did we use? I think we used Distress. I can't remember. I want to say it was Distress watercoloring. So I struggled with that, but this one at least was just a couple of colors, so it wasn't too bad. Fairly easy card to put together, but I think it looks amazing. So the Cheshire Cat, and then this card right here. So I already owned her, so that made it kind of easy. And I think I owned the pocket watch. The mushrooms were new. So anyway, I owned some of this stuff already, and then I improvised with a few things like the borders and things like that. I did a little improvisation. I colored this in with my Copics. And so it was this card, and then it was like it kind of comes up like that. And really, it's supposed to be the sentiments should be lower, so it could be hidden and then pop up. But I didn't have the die they were using, and so I was improvising, so that's kind of why. But anyway, I still like it. And then the second day, we colored him in. He's new to her shop. I don't know if I already had this one or if I bought it, but I think I bought it because I'm also doing the travel album that they're doing. So this one pops up, and then these cards, you know, flip out. So it'd be like this. So really fun. I mean, just fun. And so I enjoyed making that card. This is like a 6x6 card, and we colored in with Copics. And then the second day, it was this card right here. So this, yeah, it pops up like this. That's right. So there's a magnet in here. It pops up like this. And then in here is like a little card, right? You could decorate and put a gift card in it. I just kind of kept it plain because I just wanted to get through making it. And it goes down like that. And then it opens up, and there's like a little kind of a pop-up type feature right here. And so there's that one. And then this was another 6x6 card. I really liked this one a lot. This one's also a shaker, except it's kind of hard to see the shakers in there because there's a lot of stuff covering it. But this one was fun. It was a little bit different, and I just kind of enjoyed making it and using sort of the paper to kind of create some things. And so that was really fun. And then here is the inside. So then the inside opens like this. So that was fun. And then the third day, the last day, I finally finished my last class. So we have this card right here. And so there's some shaker things going on there. And it says time for tea. And so this is a pretty big card. But kind of fun. It's very dimensional. And then we made this box. So the box is like this. So it's like a little piece on top of the lid. And then here is the sort of the kind of fun. And then this is an explosion box. So it opens like this. And then it's got a pocket, you know, right here where you can put something if you want. And so this one was really easy, actually. Decorating it was like the thing that took forever, but the actual construction of this was not that difficult. So there's that one. And then the last thing we made was this very giant shadow box. So it's pretty cool, though. I mean, it's all done up and barely fits in the window. So it opens like this, and then this opens like this. And then on the bottom, there's another feature like this. This one I kind of put a little too close to the edge, so it doesn't really open real well, but that's okay. So there's that. And then this is the back. So really fun. I mean, you know, I think even if you don't have these particular products, everything was really, you know, well constructed and fun to put together. And the coloring classes were fun. And, you know, I think they came out better than after all the ink settles, it does actually look a lot better. But I really enjoyed it. It's really a lot of fun. I do like Wonderland Crafts product. They're amazing. And they have a lot of Alice Wonderland, and there's this pretty cute. So, and the paper is really amazing. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy of Creating with the Heart.